The petals of our flowers are made out of root vegetables, except for here the kohlrabi is not a root vegetable, but this also works well. We have purple top turnip, we have very large radish, I have a sweet potato. You can also use rutabaga, you can use daikon radish, anything that has a nice big fleshy root. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to slice it with a knife, but you can also use a slicing device such as a food processor or a slicing attachment to a mixer, and you can use a mandolin. You want to use about a 2 to 3 millimeter blade for slicing. And if you use a slicing device, it'll affect the size of your petals, because you'll have to cut it to the size to fit into the slicing device. So you want to keep that in mind. If you're using a knife to cut your vegetables, it's a little more difficult to get the nice thin slice, but you can have a bigger petal. Also, with the food processor, you have to cut down the vegetable so that it fits into the feed tube in order to do the slicing. I'm going to show you how to slice it by hand.